Hello guys, it is fourth day of my resolution and my today's topic on which I am gonna speak is using mobile too much. Nowadays people uses their mobile too much because of their many works like their for online studies and all, but due to this people divert a lot. For example, if someone is doing his studies in mobile but he will divert and he will open many apps like he will continue to play games and all. So there should be restrictions for the users of mobile, and it should be done by the government or the parents of the children who are using mobile. They should use parental control on their phone and give them with a lock so that they can't use their phone in the way they want. So if they want to use any applications, like if they wanna play games, so they should have to install them and they should take permission from their parents to install. Without their permission they will be unable to install that game. So it should be implemented. Nowadays many researchers found that people, those who use mobile too much, are getting low memorial, means the ability of remembering things is getting less in them. It is found on researches, I am not saying it. Many people watches shorts videos and shorts reels. Many, like TikTok has banned, but before reels or shorts people were watching TikToks. It's very bad habit, because if people watch short videos then they will lose their control over the long term, and their long term attention will be go down, because we want to know things in 30 seconds, in 1 minute only. So you also know that many influencers who were uploading videos for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, they have fall down their views, and the people who upload their videos for only 60 second and 40 second for any information that is not useful, we are not gonna remember it. So we watch them a lot. Millions of views are going on these videos, shorts videos, but long videos which are helpful, which may keep our concentration, which may also increase our ability of learning things and memory, but we are not watching them. Why? Because it's a conception in our mind that we have to watch videos that are limited seconds for 60, 30, or maybe all. In many students of age below 5, 6, they are watching mobile, they are using mobile a lot, and they are also using shorts. Why? There is also my cousin, he is already 6 or 5 year old only, but before some time he was watching cartoon and many videos like for colors name and counting etc. But now what, he is only watching shorts and reels. He know everything like Elvis Bhai and etc. It's not useful. Then why is he watching? Because the parents do not take care of their children. They give them phone and they say them that use it, but no, it's not good. Now people also use mobile a lot. For example, they have to do some additions like 50 plus 7 plus 99 etc. Then they will use their calculator, but before the calculator people used to give these answers through their memory and through their own knowledge. So due to this using calculator a lot, people forgot to add a little amount only. So too much dependence on mobile is very bad. No way, mobile is also very good. Although many people who don't have much time and anything like they don't have a lot of resources, they can take their studies from home due to the online studies, and they need not to go anywhere. Like if someone want to prepare for UPSC, many people go to Delhi, Indore, etc. But like people who don't have enough money, they can continue their studies and they need not to go to higher cities for their further studies. They can take any online course, so it's very cheap. And many teachers like Khan sir, Oja sir, they also teach very well, so they can directly teach from them from home with very less money. So there are also many advantages. Many people are uploading their videos, are doing some works, and they are generating money from this. So it is also a source of income. They need not to work. They are earning more than the worker who works anywhere in office or in, what can we say, everything. So it's not good for all, but it's not bad also. Mobile is bad for the sense like people below their age, they watches many contents which is inappropriate, as you know, and many of them are doing some works like they are using guns in videos. Also many actions are taken by the government and by the police, but nothing is going to happen, we know. So if we have to give phone to our children, to your children, then we should keep in mind that what are they watching, what are they using in our phone. But many parents in India nowadays buying mobile for their children, even though they are not enough aged, means they are only 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, or mostly 10 years, but they will provide them phone, cell phone. Why? They need not to use a particular phone for them. They can do anything with their parents phone also. What do they have need of their personal phone? That should not provide personal phone. People should parents should check their activities, what are they watching, for how long they are using mobile. Many students I know and many children I know that they are only below 15 to 10 aged, but they are watching mobiles more than 10 hours, more than 12 hours. It means they are wasting their half day. Out of 24 they are using 12 hours of mobile, in which they will do only two things. What? Shorts, reels, means these all, or games only, Free Fire, PUBG, and some games which have weapon only. So it's not good for the students and for children who are below age, who are under age, and they use mobile a lot. Not only for below age peoples, also many peoples who are aged, they also uses mobile, and they have many problems like haptic pains on their eyes, and their visibility also increases. As I already told that the capacity of memorizing long things is going decreasing. Many researchers in USA says that watching short videos, as I already told, that watching short videos increase their ability to learn or memorize things for long time. That's why people are diverting to the short videos or reels or shorts from the long videos for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Through this, they also unable to focus on the thing for a long time, that they have to watch a video, any topic related their work, related their study, they will not be able to sit for at least half hour or 1 hour, because they have lost their capability to see a long video or to concentrate on a thing for a long time. Also, even they go to school, then they in their classes they will only think about the games, that what they have to play after going home. So they will also not concentrate on their studies, what are they studying today, and what their work has done for homework. Many teacher complains that in parents meeting and all, that your child is not doing work properly, but parent doesn't take any action. They should take many actions, like they should not give them a particular phone for using for a long time, or they should use, I already told that they should use parental control, so that the children only watches the important things. They can play games, but some games like Free Fire and PUBG they will not play, because if they have to play, then they will have to take permission from their parents, and parents are not going to do this. So many steps can be taken for the using of mobile less and less. That's all about the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.